and gentlemen, welcome to Belfast, where the local time is approaching 4:20. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until seatbelt sign is switched off and the aircraft is came to complete and final stop. Electronic devices can now be used. Have a look around you to make sure you take everything with you. Be careful when you open the lockers as items may have moved. Smoking is not allowed until you reach your designated smoking areas. This includes the use of electronic cigarettes and vapes. Did you know that we also offer an available price guarantee for our package holidays? Whether after a city break or a beach holiday, we've got thousands of hand-picked hotels for you to choose from. Simply search EasyJet Holidays and start planning your next getaway. On behalf of the captain, the first officer, and the rest of the onboard crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us, and we wish to welcome you on board.